Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Whoops, my bad. Smacked the tripod as an intro. Today we're going to look at the drop test results of the phones we did. As you can see, they're pretty broken. Let me grab the ZTE I did as well. Let me go ahead and just throw that in this one as well. Let me grab it real quick. Okay, I looked for it and I couldn't find it. But anyways, let's go and get on with these ones. First up, we did the Motorola Droid Razr. As you can see, it did shatter pretty badly from all the drops. The Droid X was definitely a lot stronger than the Razr. See, just pretty major scuffing, I would say. Camera focus. There we go. So, I mean, other than that, though, it did pretty good. It's a really light phone, so not bad at all. I do like the Kevlar back of these. Maybe we'll do a bin test on this sometime. So there's that one. We did the two Motorola Razrs, comparing them side by side, a cheap generic aftermarket one versus an original. So as you can see, the original suffered both glasses cracked, but it's still functioning. So that's pretty cool. Everything seems to be working on it still. Voice command, I don't know if that'll work. You hear the button though. Sounds like the speaker died, but not a big deal. And you see the body stay together for the most part. Very minimal damage, I would say. I mean, these glasses are easy to replace. I was going through my phone collection, and I have another Razr that I was going to drop test. I marked it because I was going to swap it out because this one is in a lot better shape. I was going to swap the boards, but I come to find out that this one is a generic one. So I'm going to take all the parts off of this one. And see, this is all OEM Motorola. I'm going to pull all that off and put on mine. Just because mine's a generic one. So, not too bad. I mean, at least I got parts off of it. And see, this chin's all beat up and stuff, but it's not that bad. I'll go and just take parts off of it. The LCD and everything is still good. Get that glass out there before it breaks it. It does kind of got some dead pixels in there, though, as you can see. Not a big deal, though. This one, on the other hand, pull the battery out of this. If you guys remember, I did put adhesive underneath these batteries to hold them in during the drop test. Because these are good batteries, don't want to break them. Let's go and put that in there. The back door off the drop test, this piece came off. They just glued it on there with some kind of a really cheap adhesive. The original one, I don't know what they used, but it's definitely not that cheap adhesive because it's still on there. No instructions or anything pointed on the back of this, you know, showing you how to remove the battery cover. See the Motorola logos indented into the aluminum. This one's just printed. So that's kind of a tell sign, you know, you got a cheap one. The screen part didn't work anyways. I think the ribbon cable is damaged, but as you can see, the keyboard still works. Phone still boots up and everything. Just that it, the cable's damaged, I'm guessing. I never really looked into it. Actually, it looks like this is unplugged. It may just come unplugged from the drop test, but let's go and plug it in and see what happens. Let's see if the cable's still intact. Yeah, so let's see. I wonder if it works now. Oh, look, I didn't realize that was coming apart. Oh, look at there, I fixed it. All it was a stupid flex cable unplugged, guys. I'll only notice this because I did the drop test in this front plate. As you can see, the cheap glue did not hold the front plate onto this black plastic border. So that's why that came off. As you can see, it's fully working now. Look at that. Now I got a completely working Motorola parts phone. But it looks like from the drop test, well, okay, that was weird. Whoops. I just made, oh, okay. I don't know. This thing's kind of a turd. The front display is not. I don't know. Anyways, it's a good parts phone. As you can see, for the most part, everything works on it. This button kind of flew off to the side. Let me see if I can. And this one, fully working, as you can tell. It didn't do too bad considering it was a generic one. Camera still works. This side of the frame looks really good. I'll probably take these little center caps out. As you can see, this bottom chin, I didn't realize all this. This bottom chin got some nicks in it. The generic one's got this really glossy looking back, kind of like it's got a piece of plastic or something on it, which it's not supposed to be that glossy. As you can see from this corner drop, it looks like it destroyed this back cover massively. So there's that. This side, there we go. Side looks pretty good. Like I said, that chrome doesn't look bad, so I'll probably take it off. So there's that one. That's kind of weird. That one's a piece of shit though, guys. Really it is. Then we did the Motorola RAZR V9m, I think it is. Yeah, V9m. On the throat drop, the screen came off. Not too bad though. As you can see, it cracked the housing right here, and that's why it came off. Keyboard seems to be still good. Some of this coating's coming off the back. But other than that, that looks to be good shape. The screen did crack down here. I think it hit a rock, and it's delaminating up here at the top somewhere. And I think, yeah, right here around this crack, it's kind of delaminating a little bit. LCD's probably still good. So I'm going to hold on to this one for parts. I'm going to like put it back together maybe just for now. There we go. Look there. Like nothing ever happened, right? So there's that one. And then lastly, we did the LG Optimus, whatever it's called. I noticed after I did the drop test, the touchscreen is working a lot better than it was. So maybe it just had a loose cable in there as well. I don't know. But, yeah, there's that. That did pretty good. Corner drop damage. Massive corner drop damage on this side as well. A little bit here. This corner as well took a pretty hefty chunk out of it. The back, as you can see, major indentions and stuff. I think it landed on the back from the throw drop. And then this piece of metal that says 3 megapixel basically. Hey, dopes. This piece over here came off. So that's that. But screen's still good. Bunch of nicks around the front. Because like I said, this is raised a little bit. So there's that. So there is the results from the drop test, guys. Some of these phones I'm going to be putting in an eBay lot that I have. I have a whole bunch of broken phones that I bought off of eBay lots before that are just like completely broken half and stuff. So I'm going to post the phones on eBay. I'll link my description or my eBay channel. Or my eBay store on the bottom, and you guys could buy these phones, you know, if you want. That's up to you guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.